Hi guys, welcome to Websites Tools. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to define the variables while customizing your pop-ups in real time. Right? So this is an advanced video, so you might want to check out the earlier videos before you go to this tutorial. So let's first log into our Websites Tools dashboard and then click on your campaign that you have created. In my case, I've already created a campaign. Okay, so for this demo, I'm going to take the customer creation demo pop-up. So I've already created a pop-up using the latest conversion pop-up. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn today, as in how to define this. Okay, so this is, as you know, the data is captured using the webhook. So we go into the data tab, right? Okay, and then we click on, yeah, this is the data. So this section here on the left are your variables, and these are the values, right? So I've just done a quick notepad here on how I do it. So, for example, we want to define a customer. We're going to need his first name and his last name. So we copy this variable here, first name, and this variable here, last name, and we put them in these brackets. So first name in the open and close brackets, and then last name open and close brackets is you can define whatever. I mean, in this case, we're going to say is a 5-star customer. So the star, you can use animation or any kind of, I use a tool here on Chrome. Okay, so I can load all the emojis that I need while customizing. You can use emojis. All right, so let's say I want to use this emoji. Come back in here, okay, and I'll paste it. Let's say so. So now for the description of the pop-up, I want to say Bob. Again, the first name command will come in here. Spent USD. So how much did Bob spend? So the total spent. So that's what I want to display. So the total number of orders, the total value that he has spent will display if you use this variable as total spend. So Bob spent X number of dollars over how many orders. So I want to use this variable here, orders count. So right now it's 0, but as Bob keeps shopping on my store, every time he makes a new order, this amount will be higher, and this count will grow. So it will show Bob spent X dollars over Y separate orders. All right. So I will copy this and paste it into my settings dashboard for the pop-up conversion title and conversion description. So like you see here, first name, last name, Bob is a 5-star customer. And in the conversion description, I have put Bob spent USD X over Y separate orders. All right. If you want to put that emoji there, you can put that emoji there so it comes in here right away. Make sure you always hit update after every change you make. All right. And then the image URL, I generally use, Icons 8, or you can use Platicon. They have a good collection of icons for free. All you need is an image address. Okay. So in this case, I've got this leaderboard. All I do is copy the image address here, go back in here to my websites tools dashboard, and in the image URL, I just paste this here. All right, so you can see I'll just show you. Okay, I'll delete that there, it goes away, put that in, comes back. Again, scroll to the bottom, hit update. All right, that's about it. And if you have a URL, in this case, obviously, this is a real-time pop-up notification, so but this does not have any significance with the URL. But if it is a manual pop-up notification, you can put the URL here, or if it's a real-time pop-up notification, you can uh, copy the variable here that shows the URL. All right. So that's about in this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do click at the bottom on the YouTube icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the new explainer videos. Thank you for watching.